Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you, as we know that 2026 hiring season is started and we are eagerly waiting for one of the mass hiring, that is from the Tata Consultancy Services TCS. So I have a very exciting good news for all of you, that is from TCS. TCS launched the TCS Launchpad 2026. It is for upcoming free NQT 2026 examination. So it is a complete free preparation by TCS team for Ninja Digital Prime opportunity and for the other role opportunity. On our YouTube channel Online Learning, from last 4 to 5 years, we are sharing the free preparation video. We are not selling any of the course, master class or any of the live class. Just all the videos are present on our YouTube channel, so every candidate can access this free video, and that is very helpful for all of you and you can crack the opportunity. This is a 2025 off-campus hiring free preparation. This is similarly for interview Ninja Digital Prime interview experience. So we already share each and everything. Okay. So I have a very exciting news for all of you that TCS announced the Launchpad 2026. Every year TCS conduct 6 free NQT examination. TCS NQT for engineering candidates, okay, TCS Smart BSc and Ignite hiring for BSc and BCA, TCS Sigma hiring for pharmacy graduate, TCS BPS hiring for arts commerce graduate, MBA hiring for management, and Atlas hiring for MSc and MA economics. Okay, so previously we provide the 48 free videos related to preparation and we shared the free PDF materials on our channel. You can check out this video, so you will get to know about 6 free NQT examination. Okay, but we have a very good news that is related to TCS Launchpad. It is officially posted on the TCS Careers India level website. Your Launchpad to Excellent start here. Join TCS Launchpad, our exclusive student community for 2026 batch. Okay, so I will share each and every step with all of you. First of all, let's discuss about what is TCS Launchpad. So TCS Launchpad is a community of young talent aspiring. Okay, they clearly mention this unique platform offer a wide array of careful curated learning module, engagement, expert connect session. It is a one-stop solution for your all learning need. Expert webinar, interview preparation, leader connects, TCS Byte, podcast, quiz. Okay, so it is a alumni story by their one of their system engineer. One thing that I have to mention, it is completely free. I will show you. TCS Launchpad is a gateway. At present, the program is only applicable for India participant. All entry level TCS aspirants, those you are in college or you are waiting for the free NQT examination, you can apply. An exclusive community to help student prepare for TCS NQT entry level hiring. Okay, and it is a completely free. There is no money that you have to pay. It is a completely free thing. Okay, so first of all, how to do registration? So first of all, you have to proceed with the step by step. You have to log on to TCS Next Step portal. So when you log into the TCS Next Step portal, so this page will be open. So first of all, you have to choose the are you new user? Click on register now option here, and register now you have to choose the IT category. Okay, you are from basically you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC, MSc. You have to choose IT category and you have to click on register now option here. Okay, after that the CTDT number will appear. CTDT number like this. Okay, a CTDT number. Okay, so your CTDT reference ID like this, you have to note down this CTDT reference number. Okay, then you have to click here to sign up for the TCS Launchpad. So this type of page will be open. First of all, you have to create account. You have to use the CTDT reference ID. It is available on the Next Step portal that I already mentioned how to create. Full name, email ID, password, confirm password and everything. Okay, what's the next thing? The next thing is related to complete the registration. After successful creation of account, click on profile. Okay, let's click on profile here. So I open in this page. So first of all, you have to click on profile option here. There is a profile option and you have to choose the my dashboard section. Okay, they clearly mention here like this. My dashboard, my product, and click catalogs to search the Launchpad FY 2026. So there is a catalog. You have to choose the TCS Launchpad FY 2026 and this is, and you have to click on subscribe option here. They will mention, are you sure you want to subscribe for TCS Launchpad FY26? Yes, it is completely free guys, and you have to click on get started option here. Digital test preparation will be there, and Launchpad FY 2026 community, like this you have to register for this. They clearly mention, okay, you will be able to access Launchpad. Registering on TCS next step and CTDT number is mandatory to access TCS Launchpad. They clearly mention here. This is a frequently asked question, okay, like how will TCS Launchpad assist my career growth? So they will provide an array of courses on various programming language, connect with market leader, technology bootcamp, everything. Okay, there is no cost. TCS does not charge any money at any stage of the process, and also not affiliated with any agent, agency, company charging a fees for any learning or hiring initiative. Clearly it is mentioned, TCS team is providing the free preparation to all of you, so you guys can prepare and crack the examination. Like this you can like access the TCS Launchpad community. I hope you find this video well. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.